The brightness and contrast effect can be found under the color correction category, and if I apply it to this photo, we have a few simple controls. We're able to adjust the brightness of the image, which just increases or decreases the brightness value of every pixel uniformly. And then we have the contrast slider, which makes bright pixels brighter and dark pixels darker, giving more contrast to the overall image. We also have this Use Legacy button, which supports HDR, or high dynamic range, which would apply to using raw photos, raw footage, and 32 bits per channel workflow. But if you're using those types of assets, you're likely going to want to use other filters anyway. But that is it for the brightness and contrast effect. Hey, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, then check out the other ones here on my YouTube channel. And if you like my teaching style, then definitely check out my longer form content on Skillshare and School of Motion. And if you want to support more tutorials like this one, check out my Patreon. You can find links for all of that stuff in the description of this video.